Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to open Excel corrupted file. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and open up an Excel into your PC or Windows. Now from here, go for the file. Now, once you are here on the file, guys, you will just simply select open. Now from here, guys, you could just simply select browse over here at the bottom. And you could just simply select the Excel file that you're having problems with. And now you could just simply go ahead and click on it or select it. And now you could just simply go over to the open, but you could just simply click this arrow pointing downward over here, and you will have this option, open and repair. And after that, you could just simply select a repair, and it will fix the file and you should be able to open it up. There you go. See ya.